Today we have this big Lego set, which is actually one of the biggest Lego sets I ever had in my life. So as you can see, this is called Jestro's High Headquarters. This is 9 to 14. This is 840 pieces. I'm not going to build this in one day. I'm going to change the days. So guys, let's look at the back of the box. Wow, this can do some really cool things. So as you can see, Jestro can, he has this little stone wing thingy. And don't forget, watch Nexo Knights. It's a really good TV show on Netflix. They'll have 2 seasons, but let's unbox this. So guys, I just dumped out the bags, threw the box right there, and got the instruction booklet, that's what they call it, and we got 6 bags. So that's what they have. Let's start building. Hey guys, you just saw me build this Lego set over the past few days. You can see the set right here. I'm going to show you the minifigs and all the cool things that this can do. Let's start off with this guy. His name is Jestro. He has his lightning face and Cloudman. I'm just calling him Cloudman, but his name is Monstrux. If you watch the TV show, you have this guy in season 3. Let's move on to Macy. So as you can see, she's a Nexo Knight. She has some armor, and she has this weapon. This guy is a bad guy. His name is a gargoyle. He's a flying like rock monster. He has this cool weapon. See, it's like a sword. And look, you can also put like that. Cha. Let's see the next person. This one is Ava. She's small. Does she have 2 faces? No, she only has 1 face. In the TV show, she's a computer girl. She has rubber hair actually. Rubber. Just rubber. Plain. Now let's move on to this guy. His name is Stomper. Boom. Okay, probably the moment I've been waiting for. The tiny thing! Okay, this thing is actually pretty cool. Let's get Macy, and she can drive this actually. She rides this. You know, let me show you the awesome part about it. While it's moving, the drill spins. How cool is that? While it's moving, the drill spins. Let's move this aside. Here's the moment we've been waiting for. Dun, dun, dun! We have the giant Lego set. The first thing I really want to show you, these actually shoot. Ah, pew pew, pew pew. You can put this guy right there. And then guess what? Guess what happens? Kaboom, baby. Kaboom, baby. A boom, baby. Baby, boom, baby. Wait, you know what I actually did when I first built this whole entire set? Look what I did when I built this. I shall raise my army with a good rock. He actually says that. Yo, I actually played a prank on my daddy. Look, see? I don't know if you can see it, but there's missiles in here. So I was like, Dad, look close here. There's a surprise. And I'm like, ah! He's like, ah! It has some two things right here. Has some cool detailing. These can move up and down. Oh, let's separate. Oh, by the way, I can separate. Okay, let's turn this around. See, some tools. Now let's move on to the second piece. Second piece is pretty cool. What we need here is Cloud Guy. I don't know, Monstrux. I call him the Cloud Guy. See, he can go right here because he's floating, you know, since he's a cloud. And we have a cage for dun 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 dun. He literally stays in the cage in this whole picture. Gonna make her get in here. Oh my God, are you okay? God bless you. And the cool thing about this, it could actually move. It can actually move around. Let's just turn this around. And we have this guy. Doesn't actually really move. Can go on here. It goes right here, like that. And guys, you want me to show you something cool about this ladder? See, it can open. Watch this. Let's just open it. It has a boat, baby. It has a boat. How cool is that? I just love this Lego set. Okay. That's really all for this part. Do 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 dun 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 dun. Here's what it looks like with all the characters. See, he's right here. He has his lightning. He has him. It can be like that. Oh my God, how cool is this? Here. Oh, I didn't show you what they're after. They're after this. The forbidden power. Oh yeah, it's in the TV show. Spoiler, if you don't like spoilers, don't watch this scene because I'm going to spoil. That thing, if they have it, it creates all this rock and lightning, and I'm going to tell you how they destroy this. They have to throw it in this special fire that'll destroy it. So they want to get it, throw in the fire, so everything just turns into regular rock again. So guys, this was Jestro's headquarters. This was an awesome build. This was a good Lego. Thumbs up for the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. And comment down below. Noah, you're the best. Bye.